Right, this is just a quick unboxing of the Ecoflow Delta 2, standard Delta 2 off of Amazon. Basically it's one of the refurbished ones, so there's been damage in the boxing. So normally they're 900 quid brand new, but this was £609 brand new with damaged packaging apparently, and that is $799. Anyway, so I'm just gonna whip it open, see what it looks like, see if there's anything to be worried about, and then probably later in the month I will back this up with a review of some sort. Oh, it's upside down, embarrassing. Wait, pretend you didn't see it, it's fine. Ooh, branding. This side up. Label obscured. Handy. Oh dear. So yeah, I just got this yesterday, and yeah, as you can see, I have not opened it. Roar. Why? No, can't have it. Can't have it. It's mine. Is it? What is it? Is it mine? Is it yours? Is it? Is it should okay? Okay, so this has had a significant impact, maybe. That's probably about it. So I don't know if you can see here. It's had a bit of abuse, potentially briefly whilst in transit. I don't know. See what it looks like inside. So yeah, I was carpet lining my van, and because we need to use it this weekend, and I still need to make a bed for it, but my battery on my phone died, so I couldn't continue filming. I thought, that's annoying. I know, I should get like one of my power banks. And then I thought, what a moron, I bloody bought a power station. So let's open it. And then of course, I procrastinated. This is me procrastinating, so I still need to finish carpet lining the van. But let's do a quick unboxing video. Ooh, warranty. Disclaimer. Yeah. Okay. So, Ecoflow. So this is the corner that had the impact. So this is the impacted polystyrene. So if you look, when I open it, this is the corner that was impacted. Quite a lot of space there, so I think that's 796.5, but that's nearly 300 quid off because it's got a damaged box. Not seeing anything here. Well, that's very exciting and shiny. So there she is. What else do you get in the box? Obviously a plug to charge it. Nothing else. So yeah, Excuse me, sir, this box is damaged. I'd like to barter you down by 300 quid. So there is that there. Okay, so this scar there is another one that's below the polystyrene inner. So no damage there either. Nothing's getting through that and damaging my Ecoflow Delta 2. So, usual gubbins. I can't see any damage. I've seen on the Amazon reviews thing, people, there's like, it's been swollen out or splayed out from here, like someone's ragged it open. But no, all looks good to me, apart from weighing a ton. Okay, there's plenty of unboxing videos, but I might get a like and a subscribe if I do one in my own special way. Ooh. Sugar, nice. Brown sugar, it's better for you. Okay, so I've got, ooh, charge it while I drive and charge it while I sleep, and yeah, nobody ever knows what that's for, who cares anyway. So yeah, I'm happy with the contents. It's good that it's got a flat top. Yeah, shall I turn it on? Do you have to turn them on when you unbox videos? Oh. Is it that? Oh. Oh! 30% charge. So I'm guessing it's calibrating, having a think about what it's done, where it's been, the damage it's been through. So let's zoom in a little bit. Zooming. Well, that's not bad. 30% charge. Right. So my phone battery is at 12%. What if I plug it in here? Fast charge. So fast charging the Samsung Galaxy S20. So my phone says charging 1 hour and 23 minutes until full. From this bad boy, we'll turn it off. Charging it from my plug, which is a Samsung plug. That says we are charging at, that's 1 hour and 58 minutes until full. So that's half an hour quicker, he said whilst zoomed in. That's half an hour quicker, yes. So yeah, 609 quid, just shy of 300 quid off. I had some concerns that it might be duff or whatever, but it looks alright to me. I don't think you should worry. Give it a go. Amazon's got a good returns policy anyway, so if it is FUBAR when you get it, then just send it back. Get another one. Although I think sending lithium battery cells back in the post is a bit tricky. But yeah, it's Amazon at the end of the day. They've got good customer service, even if they're going through third-party suppliers. Give it a go. I'll give that 4 stars, 4 out of 4, 5 out of 5. Pending review. So I'm going to take it camping this weekend, just for one night. I'm going to run a CPAP machine, 2 phone chargers, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Lovely. Happy with that. I'll catch you next time. Cheers. Have a good one. Like and subscribe.